Running the Breeders' Cup Classic, Summer Bird, winner of the Belmont Stakes, the Travers Stakes, and the Jockey Gold Cup Stakes.
Beautiful, so sleek.
He's got the blinkers. This is Summer Bird, getting his first good feel of the Santa Anita pro ride surface. Summer Bird, out of his workout, looking very healthy.
On this one? Yeah, I can tell she likes you, dude. You see, you're perfect. I mean, how nice is the little girl? She's gonna be a stud. But, you know,
I have short ones for team petting though, because they're just easy to ride.
He's a big boy.
Yes, he is. Summer Bird.
You're watching Larry Zap on YouTube.